Hello dear viewers, I welcome you all again on my channel. Viewed together in a stylish restaurant. Noticed them and quickly shared the news on the internet. And that makes it the perfect place for couples. While the rain looks stylish in a black dress and light makeup, Barış wore a smart casual outfit with a grey jacket. They laughed and talked softly throughout the meal. Several fans who had eaten nearby said that the couple was very polite and did not mind people smiling or waving at them. Some blurry photos taken from afar soon went viral on social media, and it is seen that he smiles brightly. The comment sections were filled with heart emojis and good wishes. This surprise appearance of the couple made their fans very happy. The natural moments captured by his fans showed how real and powerful their relationship is. People love to win hearts with its simplicity and love without trying to show off. This unexpected restaurant visit has become the town's talked about topic. And many fans say he hoped to meet the couple in real life one day. It continues to prove that their stories are not just a story reflected on the cameras, but a real and beautiful journey witnessed by the fans. We would appreciate it if you share your thoughts on the subject with us in the comments section. Thanks for watching our video. Goodbye, to see you in the new videos.